Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out on how to choose between Robinhood or LightYear. And before starting this video, I want to make one thing clear. I won't tell you which platform is better, because both platforms are great. Trust me, both platforms are fine to use, but I will tell you which platform fits you the best. So in today's comparison video, I will tell you exactly which platform is the best to use for your situation, and I will look at 5 topics to lay out the differences. So let's start right here with the main focus. The main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. It's designed to strip away all the complexity and give you a fast, clean way to buy stocks, ETFs, and options, especially if you're just getting started. The main focus on LightYear is low-cost global investing, meaning it's built for people who want to invest across international markets without being hit with high fees and who want a smarter, more flexible long-term approach to growing their wealth. Then if you go to Best for, Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders who want a no-fuss entry point into the world of investing. LightYear is the best for European investors and long-term investors who want access to global markets, especially since LightYear is specifically designed with European users in mind and supports investing in multiple currencies, which is a big deal if you want to avoid conversion fees eating into your returns. If you go to the trading tools, Robinhood has basic charting and trading tools, which are more than enough if you're focused on straightforward stock and ETF investing or getting familiar with options trading. LightYear, on the other hand, has stocks, ETFs, multi-currency investing, and cash yields, meaning your uninvested cash can actually earn interest while it sits in your account, which is a really nice bonus that not many platforms offer. Then if you look right here at the interface, Robinhood has an extremely simple and beginner-friendly interface. Everything is minimal and intuitive, so you can start investing within minutes of signing up. LightYear has a modern, clean, and easy-to-use interface as well. It feels polished and well thought out. And while it offers more features than Robinhood, it never feels overwhelming, so you get the best of both worlds with usability and functionality. Then if you look at fees and trading costs, Robinhood has commission-free trading, so you pay nothing on stocks and ETF trades, which is great for keeping costs down when you're starting small. LightYear has low fees with competitive fixed rates, meaning you know exactly what you're paying up front, with no hidden surprises. For long-term investors making regular contributions, those low and transparent fees can make a significant difference to your overall returns over time. Then if you look right here at a tip, and this is a tip I want to give you, if you are an investor who wants to keep things simple, use Robinhood for simple investing. Stocks, ETFs, options trading, and beginner-friendly investing. It's perfect if you want to learn, experiment, and grow your confidence in the market. And if you are an investor who thinks longer term and wants more global reach, use LightYear for global investing, multi-currency accounts, low-cost ETFs, and long-term wealth building. LightYear is especially powerful if you want to build a diversified portfolio across different countries and currencies without paying a fortune in fees. So hopefully, after seeing this video, you know exactly which one will fit you the best. Whether you're a complete beginner looking for simplicity with Robinhood, or a European investor ready to build a long-term global portfolio with LightYear, there's a clear right answer for your situation. If you still don't have any idea, comment something below so I can help you out and give you an answer. And maybe after that, you'll know exactly which one you want to use. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.